How to check the grammar is LL1 or not. Suppose we have given this grammar. Suppose we have this grammar. So now we need to check this grammar is LL1 or not. So first we are going to make the table. So what terminal we have? A, opening bracket, closing bracket, or dollar symbol, as we know we put a comma. And what variable we have? We have S, L and L dash. So according to that, entry will be occur in the table. So because S tends to this, so this will come here, and S tends to A, so this will come here directly. Then L tends to SL dash. L tends to SL dash. So because this is the first variable, so we will take the first of S. So what will be the first of S? The first of S will be the opening bracket and A. So this will go here, A and opening bracket. So we will write L tends to SL dash and L tends to SL dash here. Now L tends to epsilon, and we know because when epsilon will come, so closing bracket we will put the production. So L dash tends to epsilon will come here from the rules. This is from the rules as we have learned in the last lecture. And got to start from the comma, so it will come here. L dash tends to comma SL dash. So because in each row one entry is there, so this grammar is LL1 grammar, because in each row one entry is present. If more than one entry in a row, then grammar is not LL1. But because in each row, as we can see clearly, only one entry is there, so grammar is LL1. So now move to the next example. Suppose we have this grammar, S tends to A, A tends to AB, A dash tends to D, A dash oblique epsilon, and B tends to B, and C tends to G. Suppose we have this grammar. So we are going to check this grammar is LL1 or not. So first we are going to make the table. What terminals we have? We have A, we have D, or we have G, we have B, and dollar. And what variables we have? We have S, we have A, we have A dash, and we have B, and we have C. These many variables we have. So let's see the grammar is LL1 or not. So because S tends to A, and the first of A is small letter A, so this will come here directly. S tends to A, because S tends to A and A, the first of A is small a. So in this production, S tends to A will come. And from here, because it is directly A, so this production will directly come here. A tends to A, B, A dash. Now we have A dash, because A dash tends to D A dash, so this directly come here. A dash tends to D A dash. But because what have A dash also tends to epsilon, so A dash, because from this production A dash tends to D A dash, it means follow of A dash, and from this A tends to AB, A dash follow of A is equal to follow of A dash is equal to follow of A, and follow of A is follow of A, and from this S tends to A, follow of A, or we can say from here follow of A to first of S. From this production, follow of A to first of S. So first of S, what is first of S? Because this is the starting symbol, the grammar, this is the starting symbol of the grammar, so first of S will be always be dollar, always dollar. So this production will go here. A tends to epsilon, A dash tends to epsilon will go into the dollar part, so A dash tends to epsilon. Now what is left? B tends to B, so it directly will come here. B tends to B and C tends to G, so C tends to G. So we can simply say all productions are over. S tends to A is here, A tends to AB dash here, A dash tends to D A dash is here, epsilon, because of epsilon this will come here, B tends to B is here, and C tends to G is here. So all productions are over, and we can clearly see that in each row only single entry is there. So this grammar is LL1 grammar.